the way an LLM is trained is that you take a piece of text and then you train a large neural net to predict the word that comes after that piece of text. And it turns out that's a relatively simple task. Now, the idea that you should use this process, which by the way is called self-supervised learning, to train a system to understand the physical world is very old. People have been working on this for decades. I've been working on this for the better part of the last 20 years. And so the idea is similar. Take a video and then train a system to predict what's going to happen next in the video. And if it's able to do this, then it will have understood something about the underlying nature of the physical world. So why is it the case that those techniques work for text and they don't work for the real world? Because the real world is much, much more complicated than language. We cannot predict what's going to happen next in the physical world. We cannot even mathematically represent a probability distribution about,
There's too many things to think.
There's just too many things that can happen, and it's mathematically intractable. So if I take a pen and I put it on the table with my finger on it, and I remove my finger, you know that the pen is going to fall. You can't predict in which direction. But at some abstract level, you can tell the pen is going to fall. So if I train the system to predict the pixels of what the pen is going to look like after it falls, I can't. And this process of abstraction, finding abstract representations of a percept, is really fundamental to intelligence, first of all, but also to science.